Hello guys, this is Hardeep and now we are going to discuss about the selection statements in PHP. So first, what is the selection statements? Basically selection statements are help us to select a statement from multiple statements. So let's start with an example. For example, I just writing a number. Okay, now I will write a, okay, let me write here. Yeah, I'm just adding a comment here. This one is selection statement. Okay, if is a keyword, let me write it. If is a keyword in PHP, so it has a special meaning. Okay, and this one is what we called is round braces. Okay, and both of these are what we call this curly braces. Okay, if somewhere we write that, we called it square braces, or we can say brackets. Okay, brackets. Okay, so this one is selection statement. Here we will write a condition. If number is greater than 150, I just put it here, echo number is greater than 150. Okay, else if number is not, then we will simply write it number is less than, okay, 150. Okay, that's it. Now we save it and then we run it. Okay, just let me close here. Okay, now what it shows, number is less than 150. Okay, so this is a condition. It gives us the value true or false. So let me little bit explain it here. Yeah, okay, write it here. So in it, this one we called operator. Okay, $num is operand and 150 is also operand. Okay, 150 is also a constant value, while $num is variable, because $num value can be changed anywhere in the program. Like we write here num equal to 120, we can write here num equal to 170. So we are able to change its value. Okay, that's it. So again, so this is basically a condition, and greater than is operator, $num is operand and $150 is operand. So what is operator? Operator is what we call operator is act upon the operands. So operator used to act on the operand. Okay, so let me check again. We will run this. Here the value is changed. Now refresh it. Okay, number is greater than 150. Yeah, because number here is 175 and here the condition is false, so that's why. So let me, I will just show you some examples to understand. Now I will write it here. I will write var dump. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now what it tells us, it returns this one is giving us the boolean value and its value is true. Okay, so if condition is true, then this will run, else this will run. So let me write if 1, I write 1. Okay, refresh it. Yeah, number is greater than 150 because 1 is true, or I can write it here true. Okay, yeah, again same result. Now I write it false. So now condition, its result changed, this one, because this condition false, that's why it is not running, else condition is running. In other words, we can write it 0. Okay, now refresh again 0. If 0 means false, so this one skips and this one right. So these operators are basically returns us with the true or false values like boolean values. Okay, if condition always runs if it has true value. So if num is greater than 150, okay, yeah, that's it. Again we save it, run it. Yeah, number is greater than 150. For anything you can use just var dump to check its data type and values. Like if I write it num, okay, I just write it, yeah, it's integer type value and its value is 175. Okay, now now let me discuss with the curly braces. We added this because with the curly braces we just created one kind of block starts from here and ends from here. We write it like that way. This else block start from here and ends from here. Let me show you. This is just a test. Okay, for I just add a break tag here, save it, refresh it. Yeah, this is just a test. Okay, for example, for the time I will just make it a comment, multi-line comment. Now we remove, so let me see how it will run. I will just, I'm going to check it, parser. Okay, yeah, okay. Now if num greater than 150, we will just delete num in 120. Okay, this it automatically added the curly braces, but we do not want it. Yeah, again it's, let me, I am going to run sublime text because I have added extension which changes the code automatically. Let me open the file htdocs test45. Yeah, now here it is. Just delete it. Let me increase the font size bit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, now number is 120, so this condition will going false. Now let's refresh it. Now you can see this is just a test is running, but we do not want it to display. So if you do not add curly braces, then system assumes that only the next line is related with if condition. Like if we delete it, yeah, then system assume that this one line is just related with the if condition, rest is like that, it assumes that. Yeah, system assume this line is out of if condition, that's why it is showing like that way. But so to solve this, we will just, okay, now you can see these both lines are under the if condition. So this is very important. I always recommend to use the curly braces always, because if one time you just add one line and later you need to add one line more in the if condition and you forget to add curly braces, and this will really create a big problems. So always use curly braces to behave it like block. Okay, now else conditions. Okay, now I will just add one more condition, else if $num greater than 200. Okay, I will just write number is greater than 200, else. Okay, echo I am not sure about the number. That's it, save it. Okay, yeah, I am not sure about the number because number is less than number is 2, or we can say, or we whatever you want to like, number is less than 150, right? Yeah, number less than. So you can use many conditions here. I think that's enough for this video. Next video we will talk about the operands and operators. Then we will discuss about multiple conditions like this, and one is also an operator. We can say like num2 equal to 170, or you can use, yeah. Next videos we will write the conditions like that. I hope you understand this concept. We will discuss more and in good details in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.